Hello everybody, I'm Alfre and welcome back in my basement. Today we're building this awesome coffee table. The special thing of this table is all made with recovered materials. The top is an assemble of rectangles of different type of woods and it's finished with two hands of polyurethane. The legs are entirely made on MDF and lacquered with a spray paint. The table is not perfect because I have some defects, but I'm really happy of my work. So leave a like if you did, subscribe and leave a comment about my work. Let's start!
Let's start by taking some scraps of wood. In this case, I'm using beech, pine, oak, teak, and elm. Let's start by cutting them to 15 centimeters. Once I've cut all the grooves, we can now proceed to cut some strips to fit in the grooves. And now the most boring part. Let's glue everything up. And here, all the strips glued together. Using the same method, I created these two pieces and now I'm gluing them to the edges. Now I can sand it everything to 120 grit and then give the first stand of polyurethane. Now I sand it a little with a 240 grit and then we can give it the second hand. After cutting these pieces of MDF, I'm now ready to glue everything, and these will be the legs of my table. After unclamping everything, I filled the little gaps in the MDF, and now I'm ready to sand it and then to give the first hand of primer, then a second sanding, another filling of the gaps, and then a second hand of primer. Now I can sand everything again with the 320 grit, and then I will give 2 hands of black paint. Now I'm making these 2 pieces, and by screws, this will be the way that I fix the legs to the table. And now to the assembly.
Perfect, guy, it's all for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and as always, to the next one!